Hi, this side Umar, digital marketer and an entrepreneur. Today I would like to discuss about something very important. Yeah, that is failure. Have you ever failed in your life? Yeah, answer this question. Have you ever failed in your life? See, failure only comes to the people who are trying to do something. So I am asking you, have you ever failed? If you are listening this podcast, that means somewhere you already got failure in your life. It may be a failure in business, life, relationship, career, or money. What do you think? All success people do not have failure in their life, or they always stay happy in their life? The answer is no. All are having problem in their life, but the only difference is some people can't come out from the failure, and successful people know how to deal with the failure because they have already learned a lot from their failure. That's the reason they are successful. Sometimes we feel jealous when we see some more successful people than ourselves, but we can't see their efforts and hard work. They have done more than us. I will tell you the actual reason behind is we all are afraid of failure. Yes, this is a bitter truth. We all are afraid of failure because it hurts. We feel not good. But always remember, failure makes us feel bad, but it also makes us feel strong to grow. To be honest, I also have many failures in my life. Yeah, I also have many failures in my life. Also struggle a lot when I was not getting an admission to the Central University. Even my 1 year was wasted. But I didn't lose hope. I have started again and finally got admission in Jamia Millia Islamia. That's the turning point of my life. Seriously, that's the turning point. From where I realized that before success, if you are facing failure, then you are doing efforts in the right direction. And failure is the part and is the part of the journey to success. Then I will tell you my startup exam source also failed. Actually, I got an idea of related to coaching and a student. That was quite good. I got investor also at that time. But the biggest mistake I have made that I make it more complex. And it becomes so complicated that till now I wasn't able to start that. Then I decide to help other business to grow. From where I got started my digital media agency, that is Catnix Digital Media, and it is running successfully. But I'm not saying that I got all the success. Right now also I have to learn a lot and taking my company to the high destination. Actually, if we want to achieve something big in our life, then we are not supposed to say that okay, I am failed. Are you getting? Now I will not do anything further or I am got failed. Trust me, this is not the way that you lead to success. If you are failed, then you have to put yourself in harder to get out of it. You will have to motivate yourself and don't try to take more advice from others. Seriously, I'm telling you, don't try to take more advice from others. You know what you are capable of, what you can do. Only one person that can help you out is you. Actually, what you have to do, you will have to keep the consistency of your effort and wait for the right time to come. Time plays a very important role. Very, very important role. With the time, growth will come. With growth, you will get more confidence in yourself. Getting confidence will help you to face failure. Try to keep this point in mind. If you will try to do more things, you will not get more success. It's a truth. Actually, in some part, you will get success, but somewhere you will also face failure. So try to do new things. Time will come when you got to click on that right. That can change your life. So that's why taking initiative is very important. If you are thinking that I will start but let's wait for the right time, then let me tell you, trust me, that right time will never come to you. If you are in the field of digital marketing, then maybe you are thinking that I will start writing someday, I will start blogging someday, I will start my business, and only someday. Yeah, it's an example. I'm telling you, this is like an example of traffic signal. Okay, let me give you one example like traffic signal. If someone says that I will start my car if all the signal will be green, either I will not even start. Tell me, this is the right way. Means that I will not start if all the signal will not green. Then what's the right way? The right way is to start a car and wait for the one signal to be green. Then proceed to the further and wait for the other light to be green. Then only you can arrive at the destination. Similarly, that road is the path to success. Maybe you will get some traffic on the road. Some may staring at you, some may horn you. But what you have to do, ignore that all nonsense and keep focusing on your road. The secret to success is being great. Greatness comes when you will start learning and observing. So take some initiative, start doing something from today, not tomorrow, not next week, not even next month, today. So what you are starting today, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for listening to this podcast and best of luck. Thank you.